All right, folks, we have a video that was sent to me. This one comes to you from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, and this involves the Hamilton Police Services. I left the phone number up there so you guys can call if you need to find out some information. But look how they're treating this lady here, and they're telling her that she can't record inside because of this day and age and all the things that are happening in today's world. They care not about the people's rights in Canada, just like they don't care about your rights in the United States or in the UK. You guys go subscribe to her channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and the pinned comment. Let's get right to it, folks.
What's your name and badge numbers?
My name is Corrigan. It's right here.
And your badge number, sir.
838.
What is her name and badge number?
Final request.
What is her name?
I'm not giving you her name or badge
Really?
number.
Do you guys want a lawsuit right now?
Her name is right there.
That's not what you say to a judge. I am going to sue both of you for violating my civil rights.
Right, okay.
You are violating my civil
you want
rights.
the
I have the right to document this.
I'm giving you the documents.
No, document my interaction with you. You have me on video.
I am not
This will go. You don't have. You're a public servant.
I absolutely can.
How do you have the right to privacy in public?
Now, I'm going to ask you to leave one more time.
Or
You're
what?
You're going to be placed under arrest on the Trespass of Property Act for refusing to leave when requested to do so.
So on the threat of arrest,
Yes.
you're threatening my freedom
Yes.
for something I'm absolutely legal to do.
No.
I'm not legal.
asking you to leave this premises right now.
Because
And
I'm
under
filming.
The Trespass of Property Act, I have the right to do that.
I haven't committed a crime.
I didn't say you committed a crime.
How can you trespass me then?
Because I have the right under the Trespass of Property Act to remove you from a premise because
I've committed a crime, sir.
No, it's not a crime. It's a
Why would you
provincial offense.
trespass? What have I
It's a
done?
provincial offense.
Doing what?
It's a provincial offense.
Doing
it's not
what?
A criminal offense.
What is? Can I
You
have
do
the
not
code
know-
of
you
what
have
I'm doing?
No idea what you're talking about.
Okay, well, give me
You're
the
spelling
criminal
out
code.
Words, then you have nothing to
Can
know
I
what you're
have
talking
the
about.
criminal
No.
code to the law that I'm breaking?
I never said it was criminal code.
Well,
I
you
said
are.
It's a Trespass of Property Act.
What? But
Please,
I'm allowed to film in public.
Yes, you are. You're not in public. So go outside
This
and
isn't.
film.
Who pays for this place?
Go outside and film. Why did you come here today?
Because I need to file a report and
Okay,
I need to
and you're
speak
not
to
filing a
Officer
report with the camera
McKenna.
running.
Why?
McKenny doesn't work here, so you're not wasting your
Officer
time.
Frazier doesn't work here.
I want to leave.
Why are you so angry?
I'm not angry in the slightest. I'll tell you why I'm angry. I have missing people. It's freezing cold. I have officers on the way to save people's lives, and you're wasting my time.
That in the code. But I'm asking for your name and your badge number.
Yeah, my name is Ivanovich 420. So there you
Okay,
go.
and I need
Stop
to.
yelling.
So I want to point to the fact that these two officers are doubling down on their stupidity. They're threatening to arrest her. Keep watching the video, guys.
Do not touch me.
Asked you to leave.
I need 2 complaint forms.
Arrest if you don't leave right now.
You're gonna arrest
I'm
me?
going to arrest
Okay,
you for
are these
trespass of property. There you
Wow.
go. This is a government,
Wow.
government
I am-
agency, independent
No,
of the
I need
police.
2 complaint
Make your
forms.
complaint.
No, I need 2.
They're right there.
Okay, well, let me look at it.
I'm
No,
not
no,
listening. I want you out of my
do
building
not
now.
touch me.
Get out of my building now.
Oh my God.
Get out of my building
I
now.
need complaint
I'm
forms.
dealing with missing children,
I
missing
need
old people. I do
complaint
not
forms.
need you here.
Sir, I need complaint
You're not
forms,
getting
please.
them. Out.
I need complaint forms.
You're not
2
getting
of
them.
them.
You're not getting
Please.
them.
I'm asking you nicely.
And I'm telling you
I don't
nicely,
know why you're yelling
you're
at me.
not
I
getting
don't.
them.
This is not public service.
pub-
Oh my God. Oh, I will leave. You are gonna. Oh my God. Okay.
Absolutely.
Well,
Get
I'm
out.
suing you, and I'm suing you.
Go ahead.
Okay, good. You will hear. No, sir, you are violating my rights.
Yes, and I have
And
the
you
right
are
to
being.
work and save
You are
people's
being
lives, and you're
so
wasting it.
abusive.
I have nothing.
Okay, well-
Bye-bye. Have a great evening.
Oh my God. What the fuck just happened?
As you guys heard, this cop says that there's a lot of children out there to be saved, which I doubt he's doing anything. He probably just wants to hang out in the office and be lazy. I doubt we'll ever see a newspaper of him actually saving a child. But what he is willing to do is violate a woman's rights simply for asking questions and trying to get some documents and some services. He's even willing to arrest the innocent and not go after real criminals. Just like this woman's channel name, Time for a Real Change. We need to get trash like this out of police services. If you guys are in Canada and live close to Hamilton, Ontario, you guys please try to link up with her. Please try to help her out in this situation. She is stressed out about this situation. She's afraid to go get services from these cops, and that's exactly what the police want, for us to fear them. That's called tyranny, folks. But when our government servants fear the people, that's called freedom. You guys go subscribe to her channel, let her know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Peace.